What a lovely backdrop for a morning car meet. So we started off at Sainsbury's just to get everyone together in convoy and headed here after 11 o'clock, so we don't have to pay for parking. And here we are, Swallow's Tail. We're at the Burnham Yacht Harbour. We're at the marina. There's a cafe there that we're all going to meet up in, but everyone's headed in there to put their regs in. So while they're doing that, let's just take a look at what cars we've got here today. Mixture of Mark 1s, Mark 2s and Mark 3s. Some, he's trying to hide. Dom shouldn't be here because he doesn't own a TT anymore, do you?
When's this video going live?
Whenever you want it to.
If it's after tomorrow.
Oh yeah, it'll be after tomorrow.
He owns a slow one, apparently.
Yeah, Dom owns a slow V6. It's not that slow. I travelled down in convoy with him. Yeah, Dom's back in a Mark 1. His video should have been released before this one because he's quicker at editing than me.
Hey guys, welcome to another video from the Parrot Bros now.
So this probably won't be news, but yeah, Dom's back in a Mark 1. Yeah, anyway, right. You might notice that one there. That might look familiar. That is my old Papaya. Look at it, looking beautiful. My old Papaya. That is sold to be able to fund the TTS, which is sat behind it. Let's see what else we've got though. Nice combination. So that is either Venetian or Merlin. I think it's Venetian. Has he got enough sensors there?
Oh, go and have a look inside. He's got all the added little trims with the you know what I mean?
Oh, the bezels.
Yeah.
Oh, can't see through the glass. I need a lens. There we go. Yeah, I had those in the low miler. And then all the bits around all the trims. He's got sat nav in that one. It always looks weird when you just walk up to someone's car and start filming in through the windows, doesn't it? Parrot Bros sticker, so you've got fans here. There won't be many BWS TT stickers, I don't think.
You've not been giving them out?
No. So, Nimbus. Yours is Glacier, isn't it? Yeah. Oh, it just looks awesome in Glacier. With the blue though, oh, I don't know if I can live with the blue. Blue on blue with the black armrest. That's the main thing, yeah. Yeah.
Black armrest, don't judge.
Yeah. Anyway, more Mark 1s. A few familiar cars for me that I've worked on over the years. Mark 2s. Morrow blue, lovely colour. Full Votex kit on Steve's. Full Votex kit on this one, I've not seen this one before. Nice Avis silver. He's looking good. Now, isn't this one a bit special? This is a genuine ABT. Been painted in Renault liquid gold. And it looks amazing. We'll try and do a bit of chat with the owner on that in a bit. Silver Roadsters all lined up next together. So here's Jeff's car. Jeff arranged the meet. Yeah, it's a very clean yellow car, that one. Yellow's always a bit of a nightmare to keep clean, but he does really well. You might recognise Car Chris's cheap TTS. I think his was cheaper than my cheap TTS, and they're both on the same miles, and his is DSG and a Roadster. So he probably got better value for money, didn't he? But yeah, TTs as far as the eye can see, look. Even more around here. Got a red on black theme going on here. Red honeycomb. That's a serious looking bit of diffuser on that one, isn't it? Maybe I should do something similar on mine. Are these all the Maxton bits stuck onto the spoiler in the skirts? I think they are. Looks quite cool. Still can't beat the look of a Mark 1. It's nice having a Mark 1, Mark 2 next to each other so you can see the differences, even when they have been buoyed up a little bit. Dolomite Roadster with a hard top, that's awesome. And the black, there's plenty of these wheels knocking around now, these BBS RS2s. And a Quattro Sport just to top it off. Alright, I'm going to head inside. We're going to get drink, bit of food maybe, have a look out over the harbour, chat about cars. I think I'm the only one that didn't wash their car today. Don't know how dirty it's going to look in the video, but trust me, it is filthy. I've got Mark 3 TTS next to a Mark 2 TTS. APR kit looks cool. More Morrow. I do like this Mark 3. I'm getting a bit tempted to own a Mark 3, you know. I really do like the look of them. And what's this? Goodwood Green. That's a nice looking thing, isn't it? Nice bit of lunch that was. Just having a walk around and see what we've got. A few people have gone already. It's been a really nice morning so far. I say morning, midday. Look at that. You've got to love the Mark 1, haven't you? It is the original and best. But obviously there's some Mark 2s and Mark 3s here as well. I'm chatting to a guy about his TTRS that was 500 and something horsepower. Crazy numbers. Look at that. Dom is doing his thing over there, so obviously he's going to have a video up. I know he's started doing videos again on TTs. He even owns a TT again. How crazy is that? He's owned it the whole time. Yeah, but here's my my beauty. No, it's just dead nice. Everyone just chatting about cars. Beautiful. It's nice having a Mark 2, Mark 3 next to each other there as well. And this is actually the debate that's been on my mind, is it better to have a newer Mark 3 TTS or a slightly older TTRS? The sound of the 5-cylinder is nuts. We need to get it some revs. Where's the owner gone? Do it again. It's a good noise, that, isn't it? 5-cylinder, you can't beat it. You can't beat it. TTS Mark 3. I do like the look of them. They are quite nice. Yeah. What to do? What to do? Right, resume. What were we talking about? Your Ben? Oh, right.
Next weekend. Next weekend, yeah.
Cool. Oh yeah, next weekend, Quattrophenia. I should be there, and hopefully this video will have been released before Quattrophenia.
Be there.
Be there or be square.
Or round, whatever shape you want to be, you'll be there. Well, you're not really round anymore, are you? You're
Trying to straighten out.
I'm taking on the mantle, I'm taking on the mantle.
Welcome along to the Quattrophenia 3 events video.
Quattrophenia is going to be great fun.
Absolutely.
That'll be the next, yeah, that'll be my last meet of the year.
I think it'll be mine.
Probably mine as well.
Yeah.
Seeing it off,
Mine's today then.
seeing it off in style.
I might
That's
have
it.
something tonight.
So yeah, lazy Southerners, us Midlanders, Midlanders. Cool. Right. So yeah, on that note, I think it'll be a case of we'll see you in Brighton at a Quattrophenia run. Until next time, I'll see you there. Cheers, guys. I'm not going to be able to make the Quattrophenia run this year, but ironically, the day before, I am actually, it's like 6:30 in the morning, and I'm at this Ditchling, whatever it is, point where everyone's going to stop and get some photos. I hope the weather is better for you tomorrow.